the Pop Dinghy will not hold us back from showing our friends the best time in Fiji. Will we have to pick them one by one on a paddleboard, or will a miracle bless Alivo? Maybe Connor MacGyver's a teleportation station. What do you think? We always needed one of those. Come along today to find out what truly happens and how we get our great friends to come on board to have ourselves a jolly old time on Alivo.
He's adding a lot right now.
The soulful, passionate song that they welcome everyone to the island just literally brings tears to your eyes.
Our friends have arrived, but we met them at Paradise? The Paradise side, and I guess Connor told them to get dropped off at Musket Cove, which makes sense, but we were just trying to get beer. But man, the beer is really expensive there. It was like...
And they only had Foster's and Asahi.
They only had Foster and... Which one?
Asahi.
Asahi. And it was like 50 Fijian, which is like 25 bucks. Oh, but Eric found us. Welcome to Paradise.
Right there. It doesn't look that bad from here, but that's what popped our dinghy last night.
That was it, huh?
Yeah.
I totally could have blocked my hand. Thank you, Sailing Vessel Vidora. They are letting us borrow the dinghy, and we needed this dinghy because we got bags on bags on bags, lots of groceries.
Our dinghy wouldn't have worked anyway, even if it did have air in it.
Woohoo! Here we go! Whoa, you can just like hang out?
Man, he's so skilled.
I know.
What?
How does he stop?
Yeah.
So we are giving up on this one for the next couple days because we need to let that 5200 dry. I tried to inflate it a little bit today and it did not work. So our friends luckily had a spare dinghy in their boat and they're letting us use this. I do not think this dinghy is rated for an 18 horsepower motor, but we're going to see how we do on this. But now I just got to pull this motor off, see how this goes. This is pretty much how we got our outboard stolen, so they made it seem pretty easy. We'll see how it goes. Now we just got to time out these wakes from all these freaking speedboats coming by. How did they do this so well? Gotta give credit to the Hongueros over there in La Cruz. They're good at their jobs.
If you're new to Alivo sailing, we did get our outboard stolen in La Cruz, Mexico. It was our second night there, and we didn't lock it like we should have.
This is way harder than it looks. And it looks hard. They tied this safety line here, and now the safety line's keeping me from completing my task here. And this boat's gonna rock. Whoa.
pretty sure this dinghy was rated for a 4-horsepower motor. So our 18 horsepower Daihatsu, well, let's just say I'm glad Connor didn't flip here.
I'm a doubter.
Don't doubt the ocean. We're gonna find some cool stuff today.
Glad we wore shoes, I think.
Oh yeah.
Life, but which tree did I hit?
See if you can't find that ball.
I think it was the palm tree. Never believe I hit that off the tee box right there, but the only problem is that's the wrong green. We got Eric at the helm and he's crushing it. Just went through a narrower pass than we did after like our first few years of sailing probably, so that's pretty ballsy. Of course it is our boat, so it's a little easier.
Absolutely.
Yeah. And we're heading out to this Cloud 9 out here. Looks like there's a few boats out there, so hopefully it's a good party and we can throw some gainers off the top of the bar and have a little bit of fun.
We have arrived at Cloud 9.
Party people over here.
Yeah.
I got you. I know what I'm doing.
That's her husband.
When our dinghy dreams drifted a little too far from reality, the answer didn't come from a store. It came from friends. Our mates aboard sailing vessel Kit appeared with something small but mighty, a spare dinghy that changed everything. Suddenly, Alivo had her wings back, a way to roam, a way to explore, a way to show our guests the magic we've been dreaming of. Our friends watched it all unfold in awe. Each act of kindness passed hand to hand, dock to dock, heart to heart. This is the sailing life, a floating village where no one is ever truly alone, where help is offered before it's even asked for, where community matters more than convenience. And once they felt it, once they understood what it means to belong out here, it was time to dive back into the blue, into coral gardens and quiet depths where our guests became mermaids, weightless and wide-eyed, wrapped in the kind of beauty you can only reach by sail. This is why we do it, for the people, for the ocean, for moments like these where generosity carries us forward and nature reminds us how small and how lucky we truly are. Number one, we're giving speed snorkeling tours here of the beautiful reef here in Fiji. I think we got a little shaka a second ago, so he's having fun. Leah's up next? Yes. Our friends are big fans of the show Survivor, and Survivor is filmed in Fiji's Mamanuca Islands, with Mana Island often called the Survivor Island. So let's go check it out. Should we have our own Survivor challenge, maybe?
Well, we're ready for our first Survivor challenge. What's the challenge going to be?
Getting through the passage.
Just getting through the passage. That's a hell of a challenge, actually. That's life-threatening, boat-threatening. Yeah, I think we're going to be all right, though. There's plenty of people that do it, and we got a lot of reviews, so we should be good. But everyone's reporting that, like, you have to kind of stick to the port side markers. If you go to the starboard too much, you could hit, 1 meter of water, which is a lot less than what we need. We'll stick to the port side markers, and hopefully this all goes well. We all got new shades on, so we don't have any scratches, and we're looking stylish, and they're all nice and polarized, so we can see all of the reef in front of us. So, wish us luck.
We got all hands on deck today. We got Leah here with me on the bow. Boys, following the maps, following the charts. We all got our new shades on. This is going.
Yeah, shades.
Here to get to Mana Island. We can see some markers, so it should be pretty clear and direct to get in. It doesn't look super long because you can really see right over the reef, right where the anchorage is, but we know it's very, very narrow. So we've been through a lot of these, guys, and I know I'm always panicking on the bow, but we'll see how it goes. We got a whole team here today, so that definitely makes it feel better.
Oh, Connor, there is a ferry coming out. I don't know if you see that.
Why would he be doing that?
Maybe do a Yui real quick.
Good eye, Eric. There's a ferry that is blasting through. So we're just gonna let him go. And good that we waited for him, because that ferry is zipping around like he's just racing his go-kart.
We're here.
We're gonna give you guys lots of ums and uhs. Good job, Connor. Look at this guy. Zoom, zoom. All right, here's our first markers. Green on the right, red on the left. Coming on through. I think the white one's gonna be the edge on the right-hand side. So we'll have to just go wide left to port. Oh, this looks so shallow! Oh my God. Okay, not bad, not bad. What's our depth? Left, 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 left. Quick little left. Oh my God, what's all? Okay, good. Start going right now. Little bit more right. Give me a little bit more right.
Did Connor listen to me, or did we hit the reef? Come on, you know the answer to that. Of course we didn't hit any reef, and we arrived at Mana Island.
All right, not bad. Oh, that looks sketchy right there. Look behind you. So pretty.
That's pretty.
We did it! Woo! First challenge. Passed. No one got kicked off the island, off Alivo. We won the immunity challenge! Woohoo!
With 0 new dens added to the boat, we made it through the narrow channel. Entering Mana Island felt a bit like threading a needle, but with a good crew on deck, teamwork makes the whole stay intact. And once the anchor was down and the heart rates returned to normal, it was official. We survived our first challenge, and now it's time to stop sweating, start smiling, and turn Mana Island into a playground, because nothing says vacation like not crashing your boat. Come along next episode as we explore the beauty of Mana Island, discovering all the survivor sites, and we continue on our resort hopping tour, visiting Castaway Island, where we are on the hunt to find Wilson! See you next time on Alivo Sailing. We want to give a huge thank you to all our supporters. We so appreciate you and are amazed at your generosity. If you want to also help support our journey, check us out on Patreon. There's a link below in the description. Or if it's easier, scan your phone right now on the QR code that's right here on the screen. Now make it a great day, and see you next episode.